Hi everyone, and welcome back to my holiday organizing series where I try to upload an organizing tip daily to maybe help you achieve a little more organization during your holiday season. Now in this tip, I want to talk about making Christmas morning a little bit easier and a little bit more organized. Now let's face it, on Christmas morning your house goes very quickly from looking joyous to looking disastrous once all the wrapping paper and everything has been ripped open. So what I want to offer you in this tip is to be prepared for the onslaught of paper flying and bows flying and ribbons flying all around the room. And what I always did on Christmas morning was I prepared myself with a garbage bag. We actually made a game out of them trying to make the basket with their wrapping paper. So that's one thing you can do. The next thing you need by your side are heavy-duty clippers to cut open those really annoying plastic packaging things they put every gift into these days. And if you saw my tip yesterday, you know these heavy-duty clippers are a must on Christmas morning. The next thing you want by your side Christmas morning are batteries. You will want every shape and size available and at your fingertips. And finally, the last thing you want by your side Christmas morning is some type of file folder. I used to use these on Christmas for all of the instructions, the warranty manuals, all the little paperwork that comes with gifts. I put it in there, mark the date on it, so all of the supporting paperwork for all the gifts that I have given is found in one location. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you want even more organizing tips, be sure to check out my downloadable PDF below. It is filled with 55 pages of organizing checklists, templates, and more tips like this as well. The link to that downloadable PDF is found in the description box below. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.